In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a template in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to create a personal copy of any template within your workspace, allowing you to customize it to fit your needs. Begin by accessing Notion, either through the app or the web version. Once you arrive at the Notion homepage, sign into your account using your credentials. After signing in, navigate through your workspace to locate the template you wish to duplicate. It is essential to open the template fully to review its structure and content. Take a moment to confirm that you have the necessary permissions to duplicate the page. Ensure that the template encompasses everything you require before proceeding, as this preparation is crucial for a smooth duplication process. Next, focus on duplicating the template page. Locate the three-dot menu positioned at the top right corner of the page. This menu provides various options related to the current template. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list, and from this list, select the option labeled Duplicate. Immediately after selecting this option, a copy of the template will appear in your workspace. It is advisable to rename the duplicated page clearly to avoid any potential confusion with the original. Following this, move the duplicated page to your preferred folder or location within your workspace, ensuring it is organized according to your workflow. After duplicating the template, it is time to customize your new copy. Begin by editing the duplicated template to align it with your specific needs. This may involve removing any placeholder text and replacing it with your own content. You could also adjust sections, headings, or databases as necessary to make the template functional for your purposes. Pay close attention to the formatting and layout before using it actively. It is important to keep the original template unchanged for future duplications, allow you to create additional copies as required. Throughout this process, consider the implications of large templates on your workspace. If your template contains extensive content or complex databases, it may take longer to duplicate, especially if your internet connection is slow. Ensure that you have sufficient storage space available in Notion to accommodate your duplicated templates. This will help prevent any interruptions during the duplication process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.